So this here is the Yamaha MT15 Generation 1. The question here is, can you do long distance riding and touring on this motorcycle? So in this video, let me tell you about the modifications and the customizations that I have made to be able to do long distance riding on this MT15. Let's go.
So this is the mounting setup for expeditions on MT15. Can you do touring on the MT15? The answer is yes. If you have this kind of a setup, you will be able to carry a lot of luggage. So let me explain what the setup is. There is a saddle stay underneath all of this, and it's dry stack bags from Rynox. I have put the cover on. There will be video of it without the cover also. And the saddle stay is holding those two dirt stack bags on either side. And this is a ROK strap. It goes in X shape to the foot peg. So the foot peg also has the attachment, one of the attachment for the bag, saddle bag. The Rynox protective cover keeps it waterproof also. This ROK strap and the backpack cover from Decathlon and all of these things, I'll be leaving a link in the description of all these products. So yeah, the MT15 tank is plastic, so we can't put magnetic tank bag, and it will add more straps. You could consider adding tank bag also to this setup, but without this setup itself, you will be able to carry a lot of luggage, because this saddle stay from JB Racing is able to handle roughly 15 kilograms on either side, which itself is quite enough if you really pack light and minimal. So this is the setup that has taken me to Leh Ladakh and Sikkim and all that. Very proven and tested equipment, and it's a lot of trial and error to reach to this place. It's fully waterproof at this moment and can carry a lot of stuff. So yeah, this is what a touring setup for MT15 can look like. This is a setup that has worked for me. Covers of the dry stack bag and the ROK strap and the attachment from this point, all of them can be unpacked and put in the pocket of the dry stacks. There are two pockets on either side, so they'll all pack nicely into the bags itself. ROK straps will get attached to at the back on the top rack or the tail section of the motorcycle. They'll go into these gaps, part of the attachment, and the other attachment will go to the footped mounting points. This is the bag and the Quechua 80-liter cover that will go over this bag. It's waterproof, it's orange color, so it's highly visible, which is useful during certain road conditions. So yeah, this cover goes over the bag. Bags are empty right now, but with the weight of the saddle stay bag itself, it will stay quite tight. And I've been able to do big speeds also on this 120, 130 and all. No problem, no shaking around or anything. It stays planted. If you tie your stuff really tightly, then everything stays planted only. And since the rear foot peg holding has two bars, there is scope of tying it a little loose also. If your bag is getting bigger, then you can tie it here as well. And actually mounting this backpack here is totally optional. If any of my rider friends have any problem with their bike, I'll be able to take them as my pillion on my bike if I wear this bag and keep the strap and everything inside here. So that is another thing. It frees up the rear seat if needed. So this is the overall setup. Hope you like it, and tell me what you guys think about it. So when I'm actually touring, here the dash cam will come, and here the phone will be mounted for navigation. The original accessory USB charger will help me charge my phone as well as my dash cam. It's a simple setup. There is no tank bag involved in this setup, because I didn't feel the need to have the tank bag. Without the tank bag only, all of my stuff I have been able to carry, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, the overall width of the bike increases by a little bit, so it extends beyond the rear view mirror, as you can see. So that is one thing you need to take care of while riding. No more very tight overtakes or tight squeezing through gaps. That is a little compromised once the saddlebags come on. All the links and all the products will be there in the description section. Please check it out. and rate my setup. Yeah, thank you. That's it for this one.